Okay, here I at 5977 Wagon Trail, Millington, Tennessee. We have a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home, 2 stories. We have new paint, carpet throughout the house, new wrought iron doors installed on this brick home. Let's go inside. As you can see, we have tile right here in the foyer area of the home. We'll start on the ground level. This is the den area, fireplace, rear door. I pan around and you can see the dining room area as well as the kitchen. We have new appliances to be installed on this home. Also on the ground level we have the laundry room, and we have a guest bathroom. Okay, and this is the master bedroom with high ceiling fan. And here we have a walk-in closet, plenty of shelf space, and the master bathroom sink and cabinet area. Now we'll head upstairs to look at the 2 other properties as well as the second bathroom. Okay, we'll start out in the second bathroom right here. In the second bedroom, we'll also take a look at the closet space. As you can see, the carpet and paint is new throughout the downstairs and upstairs bedroom. And this is the third bedroom. And the closet space is right here. We also have shelves in every closet. So we'll head down to the garage area to take a look, as well as the rear of the home. The garage is accessed through the kitchen. And this is the garage area. And we'll head to the rear of the home to finish up our tour. You have a patio area in the rear of the home. Nice yard space. Quiet area, neighboring houses. And this is a rear view of the home. And this closes out our tour of 5977 Wagon Hill Road, Millington, Tennessee.